are pure senior high school students. Of course, love study, especially with friends.
We're CPU senior high school students.
Of course, tamo-tamo di gwapo. Of course, tamo-tamo di gwapo. Of course, crush mo eh.
Kung siya raw ang makakasabay mo sa biyahe, hindi mo iindahin ang matinding traffic.
We are CPU Senior High School students. Of course, damo kami balon.
Damo balon? Pwede na yung tamo?
Imuha.
We are still senior high school students. Of course, we love putting makeup.
Jun! Okay ba na
We are CPU Senior High School students. Of course, we don't cram. We manifest.
Kayo na pong bahala kung pumasa po kami o hindi po kami pumasa para po sa pamilya po namin ito ginagawa namin. Sana po kami po ay makapasa at makapasok po sa schooler. I love you po. Amen.
Wala na kami. Ay, magpagaling. We are senior high school students. Of course, wala na kami makapoy magsaka sa stairs kay sanay na kami. Wait lang, kapoy na ko.
We're CPU senior high school students. Of course, we always study every time may quiz kami.
May quiz man karon? Gampang to.
5 minutes break. Yung game.
We are CPU Senior High School students. Of course, close naman ang amon teacher. Uy! Hi, sir!
Hi, Carlos. How are you?
Okay lang.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.